To record a phone call on your Pixel phone, we'll first obviously go to the phone app, call someone, and get the call connected. Call recording used to be blocked in many regions, but Google recently expanded this feature to more countries. But even with the latest update, there are still some countries where this feature is blocked for legal reasons. And even if it's not blocked, you should always tell the person you're calling that you're planning to record the call. Once the call is connected, you can tap Call Assist and then choose Call Recording. You'll get a notification saying that there will be an audio message notifying everyone that the call is being recorded. Again, always make sure all sides are aware of recording. If the other person says, "I don't consent," and you keep recording, you could be liable for recording without consent, depending on your local laws and regulations. So, always verbally confirm they are okay with the recording after the automated voice finishes. It covers your back legally. Once you're done recording, you can use the same Call Assist menu to stop recording, or just hang up the call. The option to listen to your recording is a bit hidden, but it's accessible in the Recent Calls view in your phone app. Tap the person or number you were recording, and the call recording opens up. You can play it back and listen to it here, and you can, for example, use the Share button to share the recording via text, email, or whatever. And that's call recording on your Pixel phone. If you have a Pixel 9 or 10, you might see a call notes option during your phone call. That uses Gemini Nano to create a private transcript and summarize your call. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.